Bucket elevators are essential for the vertical material transport in cement and mineral processing plants. In the cement industry, they move raw materials like limestone and clay to silos, lift clinker to grinding units, and feed finished cement to packing lines. In the minerals and mining sector, they handle materials ranging from iron ore and coal to gypsum and aggregates, ensuring smooth transfers between crushers, separators, and storage systems. Engineered for durability, bucket elevators operate reliably in demanding environments. They handle large volumes of bulk material, from fine cement to dense minerals. Designed to withstand abrasion and high temperatures, enclosed bucket elevators support safe and continuous operation, while reducing dust, spillage, and environmental impact. With the introduction of advanced condition monitoring systems, maintenance practices are being transformed, enabling data-driven management and timely intervention in the event of a malfunction. Captured with tools like BG Insight, these systems ensure minimal downtime. Real-time data from sensors detect any misalignments, wear, or overheating, giving you instant insights and alerts. With this advanced monitoring, you can proactively address issues, enhancing uptime and cost efficiency. Safety is also increased with early detection of potential failures, reducing hazardous risks. With remote access to performance reports and operational status, you get transparency and accountability across multiple sites. BEUMER offers exceptional remote support to our existing and potential customers. Our Customer Diagnostic Center provides advanced digital and data-driven diagnostic support. BEUMER hotline specialists, with their know-how and practical experience, handle the first contact with the customer, as well as malfunction analysis. Registering tickets in the management system. The BEUMER Monitoring Center has the overview of your system's condition. State-of-the-art algorithms and AI-supported analysis indicate malfunctions and provide a first response to initiate further actions, such as resolving issues remotely or involving our specialist. If required, we coordinate on-site support with the BEUMER hotline team. Our BEUMER diagnostic experts support the specialized departments with analyses to rectify malfunctions accordingly. The bucket elevator stands as an essential asset within the cement and minerals and mining sectors, delivering exceptional efficiency and reliability. By integrating advanced condition monitoring and using BEUMER's dedicated support services, you can enhance productivity and minimize operational downtime.